Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to send Indeed resume to email. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's simply go to profile and the nav bar. If we move along the right, next to the notification bell lies our profile. Simply click on it and this will open up. Well, there are lots of options, but worry not. Let's simply go to profile and this will open up. Right here's my profile and this is my resume. I'm gonna click on my Indeed resume section right here, and right here is the resume I had previously created. Now I want to send my Indeed resume to email. What to do? At the top, next to the searchable button, lies these three dots. Let's click on it. Then this will open up. From here, you can download, delete, upload to replace resume and such. But right now, let's simply click on this button that says share a link to my Indeed resume. Now this will open up. Now either you can copy your link or directly simply click on this email link button right here. After clicking on that button, something like this will open up. Right here the Outlook is opened. Simply enter whom you want to send the resume to. And once everything's okay, simply hit on send. Well guys, it's as easy as that. That's how you send your Indeed resume to email. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.